Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the review 2025 Huayra Codalunga in a world where automotive engineering constantly evolves. Few brands dare to blend art and performance the way Pagani does. And the 2025 Huayra Codalunga is perhaps the finest example of that philosophy. Inspired by the long-tail Le Mans racers of the 1960s, the Codalunga is not just another hypercar, it's a celebration of coach-building heritage and high-speed elegance. Limited to only 5 units worldwide, this car is as exclusive as it is breathtaking. And today we're diving deep into everything that makes the Codalunga a true work of rolling sculpture. The first thing that strikes you is the silhouette. The Huayra Codalunga stretches over 14 inches longer than the standard Huayra, and this elongated rear end is where the car gets its name Codalunga, meaning long tail in Italian. The sleek lines flow effortlessly from the nose to the back, with the smooth rear tapering into a pair of massive titanium exhaust pipes that resemble a jet turbine. The body is a masterclass in aerodynamics and hand-sculpted carbon fiber, giving it not just beauty, but also purpose. The front features clean curves and minimalistic design, with tiny headlights that look like precision-crafted jewelry. Air channels flow discreetly along the sides, giving the car a fluidity that feels like it's moving even when standing still. There's no giant rear wing disrupting the visual harmony. Instead, active aero elements are seamlessly built into the body, preserving both form and function. Open the dihedral doors and you're greeted with an interior that belongs in an art gallery. Every single component inside the Codalunga is either machined from billet aluminum or wrapped in the finest Italian leather. The exposed gear linkage is a mechanical sculpture, showing off how the transmission shifts in real time. The seats are minimalist, yet supportive, and wrapped in saddle-colored leather that looks aged and refined. The dash is an orchestration of analog dials, toggle switches, and intricate detailing that ditches digital overload in favor of tactile satisfaction. Every surface you touch feels hand-finished and personal, as if the car was tailored to its owner like a bespoke suit. Underneath this beauty lies an absolute monster. The Pagani Huayra Codalunga is powered by a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12, developed by Mercedes-AMG, pumping out a staggering 829 horsepower and 811 pounds-ft of torque. The power delivery is brutal yet refined, with torque available almost instantly, paired with a 7-speed sequential transmission, and weighing just under 2,800 pounds thanks to its lightweight carbon titanium monocoque. The Codalunga rockets from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds and can hit a top speed north of 220 miles per hour. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The Codalunga is engineered for corners, with race-drive suspension, a low center of gravity, and those active aerodynamic flaps that adjust dynamically to keep the car glued to the road. Of course, something this rare and handcrafted doesn't come cheap. The Pagani Huayra Codalunga is priced at a jaw-dropping $7.4 million, and even at that price, all 5 units were spoken for before the car was publicly revealed. It's less a product and more a commissioned piece of kinetic art. For collectors, it's an irreplaceable gem. For enthusiasts, it's a fantasy brought to life. Each car is built specifically to the owner's vision, meaning no two Codalungas are exactly alike. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.